Hello guys, have a good time. I am Behran, and I am with you in the 12th Python language training session. In the previous session, I discussed conditional statements, and in this session, we will also review truthiness and falsiness. Well, let's go to the Visual Studio software and create a Python file. For the equality of two variables, the sign of 2 equals is used, and in addition, when we want to examine the nature of the variables, we use is, which we are now testing several examples together. Well, as you can see, our example was done correctly and we were able to fully understand what is truthiness and falsiness in programming. Well, one more thing that I have to say is that there are a series of cases that return the falsiness value to us by default. These are 0, empty strings, none, and empty objects. Well, we will finish this session, and in the next session we will examine the comparison operators and I will teach you about it. Until the next meeting, I hope you have a good day.